Hi friends, this video shows how to transfer files between laptop and TV using ADB debugging or USB debugging. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner, go to system, go to about, go down, select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Then under system, select developer options. Here you can see list of developer options. From this list, let me enable this USB debugging or ADB debugging. Let me enable. Done. After that, let me go to laptop. Here in this laptop, we need to install this tool ADB. You can download this zip file from internet, then extract it. And here you can see adb.exe. From this path, we need to open command prompt. I already opened command prompt C. From here, we can run ADB commands. Before that, we need to connect this laptop to TV using USB cable. I already connected this laptop to TV using USB cable. After that, you can click here, then check for this USB icon. If you are seeing this USB icon, that means you have successfully connected laptop to TV. Okay, so next I am going to transfer some files. Here you can see the commands. The first command, we can use these commands to transfer files from laptop to TV. This command is for transfer file from TV to laptop. This command is for delete file from TV. First, I am going to transfer files from laptop to TV. Here you can see one image, then one video file. And this is the image I am going to transfer to TV. And this is the video file. So before I transfer, let me go to TV, open File Manager. Explore File Manager, then go to internal shared storage. When I transfer files, that will come here under this internal shared storage. Okay, let me start. First I am going to copy this image of the dog. Enter. Done. Let me check. Go to internal shared storage of the TV. Go down. See, here you can see that image. From here we can open. Next I am going to transfer this video file. Enter. Done. So here we need to refresh. See. So now I have transferred files from laptop to TV. Next I am going to transfer one file from TV to laptop. This image of the dog that I am going to paste here under F directory test folder. Here, F directory test folder. Okay. Copy this command. Paste here. Done. Let me check. See. Okay. Next I am going to delete this image of a dog from the TV. For that we can use this delete command. ADB shell rm. Copy this. Enter. Done. Here we need to refresh. See, deleted. So this way we can transfer files between laptop and TV using USB debugging or ADB debugging. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.